Let us just get straight into it and spill this already spilled juice. Now, Hope, our screen favorite, came onto Instagram and appreciated Bafana Bafana. And she wrote, "What a time. Thank you and congratulations. So proud of you boys at Bafana Bafana RSA. Thank you for restoring our hope behind you always." Guys, we saw that it was not an easy match. We saw that Bafana Bafana stuck through the whole time, but it was indeed an exciting experience to watch, seeing them getting into the semi-finals. And Hope indeed seemed like she went and enjoyed the whole thing with our boys, because she took a picture and posted, and all the pictures showed ukuthi girl properly enjoyed what South Africa gave us. Bafana Bafana, we are proud of you and we are behind you all the time. Thank you for taking us to this point. Do like, share and subscribe.